हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल क्लासरूम वाइब्स। आज हम आपके लिए एक और प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम लेकर आए हैं, प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम 3 ऑन द चैप्टर पार्टनरशिप फंडामेंटल। एंड द क्वेश्चन इज हियर, Max and Peter are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. The fixed capitals as on March 1st, 2024 were rupees 2,40,000 and rupees 3 lakh respectively. The drawings during the year were rupees 7,500 and rupees 15,000 respectively. Interest on capital is a charge and is to be allowed at the rate 10% per annum. And interest on drawings to be charged at the rate 15% per annum. Net profit for the year ended March 31st, 2025 was rupees 36,000 and prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So this is our practical problem 3. Here we have two partners named Max and Peter. Their profit sharing ratio 2:1. So they will share profit in 2:1. Capital is fixed, the fixed capital. So while you will distribute profit among the partners, we have to transfer the profit in partners' current account, not capital account. When the partners' capitals are fixed, we use the account current account. Okay. So, or we can say that the entry for profit sharing will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners current account because capital is fixed. Capitals are 240, 2,40,000 and 3 lakh rupees, and they have drawings also 7,500 and 15,000. But we don't have date of drawings. So if we don't have date of drawings or on which date partners have withdrawn money, we calculate interest on drawings for an average period of 6 months. You have to remember this thing. Okay. Then interest on drawings is to be charged 15% per annum. Rate is already given here. And net profit of the firm is 36,000. So here one thing is important, that interest on capital is a charge and is to be allowed. We have to allow interest on capital to partners. Okay. But not as an appropriation, but as a charge. And charge means whether you have profit or not, you have to provide interest on capital to the partners fully. Okay. As a charge means either you have profit or not, what you have to provide, you have to allow interest on capital fully. When interest on capital is an appropriation, we can provide interest on capital only when we have profit. Okay. So here it is a charge. It is just like an expense, normal expense of the business. So when interest on capital is a charge, it can be shown in P&L account also, or you can also show it in P&L appropriation also. Okay. So let's prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So first of all, we have to prepare the format of profit and loss appropriation account that you already know, we have discussed already in our previous two problems, practical problems, theories also. So here is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. We have to put the heading first, P&L profit and loss appropriation account, and then we have to write the date for the year ending March 31st, 2025, and there will be 4 columns in P&L appropriation account, particulars amount and particulars. Then the first thing that we transfer in P&L appropriation account is either profit or loss, whatever you have. So this time we have profit. You can see the question, last line, second last line. We have net profit of rupees 36,000. So first of all, we have to transfer this profit in P&L appropriation account, and net profit is transferred on credit side, or we can say on buy side as buy P&L account by following a journal entry, profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So we will hide to profit and loss appropriation account, and it will be posted as by profit and loss account. In bracket you can mention net profit, and the amount is given 36,000. Okay. Then we have two things only. First is interest on capital and the other is interest on drawings. So first of all, we'll charge interest on drawings. Okay, we have transferred profit on credit side, so we'll charge interest on drawings. That is also shown on credit side. So drawings are given 7,500 and 15,000 respectively, and the rate of interest on drawing is 15%. So we will charge interest on drawings first, and for charging interest on drawing, the entry is interest on drawings account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. We are preparing profit and loss appropriation account, so two side will be hidden and interest on drawings will be posted on buy side. So we have written here buy interest on drawings. So you can learn also that buy interest on drawing we write on credit side. Then we have to write the partner's name. Partner's name are Max and Peter. Then we have to calculate the interest on drawings. So first for Max interest on drawings. So max interest on drawing is, so you can see max drawing is given 7,500 and rate is 15%. So 7,500 into 15%, परसेंट का सिंबल हटाएंगे तो अपॉन में 100 आएगा, and date of drawing is not given, so interest on drawing will be calculated for an average period of 6 months. 7,500 into 15 upon 100 into 6 upon 12, so it will be 1,125. Okay, you can calculate, and better you do calculate on your own, don't use calculator, it will help you in the board exam. Okay, so we'll write max interest on drawings 1125 inside in particulars. Then we'll calculate interest on drawings for Peter. Peter's drawings is given 15,000, rate is 15%, and average period will take 6 months. So calculate it, and it will be 2,250. So we'll transfer 2,250 on credit side, and the total 3,375 will be in main amount column. So we have charge interest on drawings now. Now we have to allow interest on capital, and interest on capital is a charge against profit. So charge against profit means you have to allow interest on capital fully, whether you have sufficient profit or not. So we will write two interest on capital on debit side. Then the name of the partners, Max and Peter, and then we'll calculate amount of interest on capital. So capital for Max 2,40,000 and rate is 10%. So max interest on capital will be 2,40,000 into 10 upon 100, that is 24,000. So we'll write in particulars 24,000. Then Peter's interest on drawings, then Peter's interest on capital. So Peter's capital is given here 3 lakh rupees. So 3 lakh into 10 upon 100, that is 30,000. You can write 30,000 here, and then make total 30,000 plus 24,000, which will be 54,000 in main amount column. So you can see that we have profit 36,000 and then interest on drawings 39,375, but interest on capital is 54,000. So our expense is more than profit, but we can allow interest on capital fully because question has said that interest on capital will be treated as charge against profit. Okay, so that's it. Whatever we have mentioned in P&L appropriation account. Then we have to close this account and we have to distribute either profit or loss, whatever we have. So first of all, we have to check which side is greater. So this time debit side is greater. Debit side is 54,000 and credit side you can see 39,375. We will write 54,000 on both the sides. Okay, then we'll deduct 36 plus 3,375, 39,375 out of 54,000, which will be 14,625, and this is loss of the partnership firm. So we will show loss by writing by loss transferred to, and then we'll write partner's name with the word current. So first of all, we'll write Max current account and then Peter's current account, and then we'll distribute 14,625. The ratio is given in the question. We can see ratio is given 2:1. So max share in loss, which is 14,625 into 2 upon 3, which is 9,750. 2 upon 3, why we are taking 2 upon 3? Because the ratio is 2:1. So total of ratio 2 plus 1, 3. 3 will be shown as denominator and the particular ratio, particular partner will be shown as numerator. So max is having 2, So 2 upon 3, that is 9,750. So we'll write 9,750 in front of Mac's current account. And then Peter's current account. So Peter's share in loss 14,625 total loss into 1 upon 3, 4,875. That will write, and the total is already written. So here is profit and loss appropriation account is completed. This is a question in which interest on capital is treated as charge against profit. और सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, जब चार्ज ऑन कैपिटल को चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट बोल दिया जाए तो वेदर वी हैव प्रॉफिट और नॉट वी हैव टू चार्ज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल फुल्ली। अगर यहाँ 36,000 की जगह 6,000 भी होता तब भी हमको इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 54,000 ही देना होता। इवन वी हैव लॉस आल्सो, गॉट इट, इवन वी हैव लॉस आल्सो, नेट लॉस 36,000, तब भी इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल आपको पूरा प्रोवाइड करना है। when question is saying that interest on capital is a charge. Otherwise, in partnership, if nothing is given, interest on capital is treated as an appropriation. ठीक है? So dear students, I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, अच्छे से समझ आया होगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो आप हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। अभी हम बहुत अच्छे टॉपिक्स आपके लिए लेकर आने वाले हैं। टॉपिक वाइज हम न्यूमेरिकल्स लेकर आएंगे जिससे आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स ज़्यादा क्लियर होंगे। ठीक है, अगर आपको किसी भी तरह का कोई डाउट है तो आप हमको कमेंट बॉक्स में भी मैसेज कर सकते हैं, हम आपके डाउट्स क्लियर करेंगे। अगर आपको कोई और जानकारी भी चाहिए तो आप उसके लिए भी कमेंट बॉक्स में मैसेज कर सकते हैं, कमेंट कर सकते हैं। विल रीच टू यू। Thank you so much. Take care of your study and your health. Thank you.